Let's talk surface cleaners. The seller at Mekoh sent this to me to test out, and I'm glad they did because I was in need of a new surface cleaner for my pressure washer. Now, this particular one is 18 inches. It has a quick disconnect that's attachment, so that way you can put it on and off the extension and then to your handle very quickly. There is also a handle here because it is a little bit heavy, and you're going to need to grab it and move it from location to location. Now, it also comes with 4 wheels all the way around, so that way it rolls smoothly. And then there's also these nice heavy duty bristles that are all the way around, so that way it makes sure it keeps all of the water and debris inside the ring itself, so it's not going to be spraying it everywhere. I'm excited to see this work, so let's attach the pressure washer and get cleaning this portion of the driveway. Also, with the kit, it gave an extra extension, a water bottle, and of course, more nozzles for your pressure washer and Teflon tape. So I think it's safely to say, let's get cleaning this driveway. And just like that, you saw this Mekoh 18-inch surface cleaner in action. It did a fantastic job. You could see on the left side, the clean spot. Right side is a spot that I haven't done yet. And it did a great job to keep the uniform spraying down on the surface to make sure that they limit the amount of streaks that are there. Now, I still always recommend to follow it up with pre and post treatment, so that way it takes care of any potential streaks that are left behind. But overall, this is a very powerful product, and it was hooked to a 3,400 PSI pressure washer that does 2.8 gallons per minute, and it still had no issues cleaning this surface. So if you are in the market today for a new surface cleaner, think about picking up Mekoh, because I know I'm satisfied and you saw it firsthand for yourself about what it did. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these products. Go out, grab this today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.